Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching for today. So last time we created the community post to create the new series of videos where we will compare the two same categories, custom ROMs, and find out which is better. This is not a device specific comparison, but still in the today's video we will compare the Bliss OS was Evolution X based on the Android 14 in the latest updates. Here the Bliss OS was installed on the Poco X2 where Evolution X was installed on my 6-year-old device OnePlus 6. In this video, we will compare how both the ROMs offer the latest sources frequently with the updates, customization features available for both the ROMs and their usability. We will test the screen touch sampling rate of both the ROMs with the app's opening speed and the Geekbench performance test. Remember, this is just a ROM oriented performance test, not a device. Still, both the devices has nearly same CPU specifications, so Geekbench results may vary for anyone. Finally, at the last, I concluded which will be the better highly customizable ROM if your device supports both of these custom ROMs. So watch this video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
First of all, we will check out the device details of both the ROMs. Bliss OS and Evolution X are based on the Android 14 for both the devices. But still, Bliss OS has the November 2023 security patches while Evolution X has the December security patches. These things are depends on how active development for the device has. Here OnePlus 6 has the continuous and better supports by the developers. Kernel version is better in the Poco X2. With the Bliss OS it has 4.14.238 while for the Evolution X it is 4.9.337. Build date of Evolution X is the 11th December while Bliss OS build date is 12 December 2023. So instead of security patches, Bliss has the better source base as compared to the Evolution X as it is officially supported. Bliss has the separate option for the detailed info about the Bliss ROM, which shows the Bliss version, its code depth, maintainer, it is an official build, while Evolution X for the OnePlus 6 official build development was stopped. This one is the unofficial version. Both the ROMs have the different launcher. Bliss has the Bliss launcher while Evolution X adopted the Pixel launcher once again. The only important thing Pixel launcher offers that I like most is its ability to copy, search and share the option in the recents panel, which is not available for any of the custom launcher. But the Bliss launcher is highly customizable launcher which offers double tap on the home screen to sleep, headset background, transparency, now playing and many more customizations. Similarly, for the app drawer customizations, it offers the dock and the app drawer application theming icon toggle. For the recents panel, it offers the lots of shortcuts option like RAM memory bar, kill specific applications, lens, lock the applications in the memory, clear all and the screenshot options. Under the miscellaneous setting, we get the new taskbar which is smoother than before and working good. Who gets all the dock icons when you swipe up from the taskbar pill. It also has the app door accessibility anywhere in the device. We can add any taskbar app in the split screen. So in terms of launcher, Bliss has the more features and it's more useful. Now let's check out the customizations available for both the ROM. Bliss has the Bissify customizations tab while Evolution X has the Evolver tab for the customizations. Both has the same categories of customizations, but the Evolution X the two different options like power menu and the notifications. Both the ROMs has the same setting under the buttons customization option, but the Evolution X has the one different setting called as per app volume control. If we enable this tab and while using any media application, we get the separate volume control for that specific application, which is a nice feature. Under the QoS panel setting, Bliss has very few features, while Evolution has some interesting features like hide label of QoS panel tile, which gives the clean look to the QoS panel. Who gets the bunch of battery styles and the battery percentage as compared to the Bliss OS. Another different setting I found here is the new brightness slider themes. I especially liked the filter type of theme for the brightness slider. QoS panel has the animation styles like the flip and the rotate. Bliss 2 has the such features but is only available under the animation option. Under the button setting, Bliss has option to add different shortcuts in the power menu panel. It's also available in Evolution X, but it's found under the separate power menu option. Under the gesture setting, both has the same gesture customization, no big difference I found here. But the Evolution X has some gestures like double tap on the back to access different shortcut actions, double tap on the lock screen to wake up the ambient display, not the complete display. Same feature is available in the Bliss, but it's called as the lift to check the phone instead of double tapping on the screen. Again, under the lock screen, Evolution X has the edge lighting feature to show the glowing edges of the phone screen to alert for the notifications. It has bunch of customizations too, but this one is also not available in the Bliss OS. Evolution X again offers the ambient music ticker, lots of font for the lock screen clock, and many more. Like I told previously, QS style animation setting is available under the animation tab of the Bissify setting. While for the Evolution X we get the screen of animations like CRT and the scale, which is not available in the Bliss OS. For status bar, Evolution X has the different status bars, lyric toggle, colored status bar icons, etc. While Bliss has the network traffic indicator, which I didn't found for the Evolution X. For theme customizations, both the ROM has the same level of customizations to customize their headline or body fonts, icon packs, signal, Wi-Fi icons, icon shapes, and navbar styles. But the Evolution X has some different settings, presets for the theme styles, color source customizations, luminance and the chroma factor sliders, pure dark theme, etc. Other all features of Bliss OS are available here too. Power menu extra shortcuts are available under the power menu setting of the Evolution X. Miscellaneous setting also has the same levels of customization for both the ROMs, except some extra features like play integrity fix in the Evolution X, testing jitter value of the device, show CPU information, sensor blockage per application setting, which will help to improve the battery life of the device. While Bliss has the show clipboard overlay, except that unlock higher FPS, ignore Windows secure flag, Netflix spoof, all are available for both the ROMs. Except this OnePlus 6 developers community is active, so they added the Dolby Atmos like sound enhancement, which is not available in the Poco X2. But the Bliss is officially released ROM, so it offers OT updates via official site, while Evolution X is an unofficial build, so it doesn't offer the OT updater under the system setting. So in terms of customizations, Evolution has more and advanced customizations as compared to Bliss OS. Now let's test the performance of the ROM. Both the ROM seems more fluid, but the touch accuracy and response I felt better on the OnePlus 6. So I tested the touch sampling rate of both the devices. Here both devices has nearly same touch sampling rate, ranging between 115 to 125 Hz. Next, to test the performance, I opened the 7th application. First one is the Google application, where the Evolution X was winner, which got the 1 point. For Photos application, Bliss was the winner, it got the 1 point. For opening the Chrome browser, Bliss again got the 1 point. For a calendar application, both the ROMs got the tie-up. For Play Store, Evolution X got the 1 point. For opening the camera, Evolution X again got the 1 point. While for the Geekbench opening speed, Evolution X got the 1 point. So here out of 7 applications, Evolution X got the 4 points and Bliss got the 2 points and 1 got tie-up. So Evolution X is winner here for this section. This performance is also reflected in the real life performance test using the Geekbench. Though the Poco X2 has the latest Snapdragon 730 GPU, while OnePlus 6 has the older Snapdragon 801 CPU. The GPU of OnePlus 6 is more powerful than the Poco X2. So after running the Geekbench test, CPU performance for the Evolution X is better than the Bliss OS on the Poco X2. While for the GPU performance, Evolution X on the OnePlus 6 outperformed for both the OpenGL and Vulkan Graphics API. So in overall comparison, only on the basis of custom ROM sources, features and the performance, I think Evolution X is the best custom ROM in overall comparison. It has lots of extra customizations with the different features. It has best CPU and the GPU performance even on the 3-year-old device OnePlus 6 as compared to Poco X2. This is all about the comparison between these two highly customizable ROMs. Please give your suggestions under the comment section. Is it a good comparison video or not with your suggestions? So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked my work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.